Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video, I will show you the fashion trending analysis project using artificial intelligence. So this will be the designer dashboard where you can filter out by years. Okay, so we have selected right now 2024. It will show the images of all the 2024 images. We have combined the images and generate the new product. We have to select any of the 2 or 3 images and model will load and it will generate the new image, the output image. Okay, so let's wait for a few minutes. So this will be the output image, review combine image, and you can send to the manufacturer. Just click on the send to manufacturer button. So that particular image sent to the manufacturer, and it will show the submission by designers, where you can delete any of the design or you can check the fashion trend. Okay, it will show the designer, email address, and the date. You can check out the original images and generated images. Okay, and it will show the predicted statics, sales, rating, and the trending score. You can zoom out that particular image. Okay, now it will show the sale and trend analysis. Just scroll down. It will show the month wise and monthly sales. Back to the submissions. Now it will show the designer details like original designs and the generated design. Okay, this will be the generated design. And it will show the predicted statics and sale and trend analysis. Okay, just click on back to submission button. This is the complete project. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with a friend. Thank you.